Then we have the 4 LEDs. One is for 3 is for status, like the air quality sensors. One is for good air quality. The middle one, the yellow one, is for moderate air quality, and then the red one is for bad or poor air quality. So if you see this move between green, yellow, and red, it's showing you the air quality in your house. So right now it's at green, which shows the air quality is okay. When it switches to yellow, it will be moderate air quality. Then red is not good. So on the right, we have the PIR sensor for sensing motion. If anyone is detected near the gadget, it will engage the display more compared to when there is nobody near the screen. So it will wake up the screen and start showing all the parameters, the measurements, and the suggestions on what to do inside the house. Like to allow ventilation, you must open the doors, you must switch on the light when it's dark. So it is able to sense when it's dark and day. On the right side, the left side, we have MQ7 sensor. This is for carbon monoxide. It will sense the level of carbon monoxide in the house. So whenever there is smoke, there is fire, that is, or the air quality has a lot of CO2, this will sense it and give an alert for you to do proper aeration, that is ventilation in the house. Then we have power port. This is a 5 volt 2 amps power port. Then we have the 3 switches. These are 3 switches emulating the physical switch. For this, it is these are buttons. You use physical buttons to turn on the relays for the light, to switch them on or off. We have one for bedroom, kitchen, then one for bedroom, kitchen, fan, and living room. On the other side, this is a resistor, a variable resistor to change the light intensity of the screen. So if you turn it higher, it will be more brighter, and if you turn it anti-clockwise, it will be dim, depending on which level of brightness you're comfortable with. And then on this other end, we have our main processor. This is ESP32S3 with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth capabilities. So this is able to connect to Wi-Fi and able to connect Bluetooth through to your phone or to any other Bluetooth device, or it's able to connect to the Wi-Fi. We have DHT sensor, DHT11 for temperature and humidity sensing or measurement. This will give the readings for the temperature in the room and the humidity. Whenever the humidity is high or the temperature is high, that will affect the air or room air quality. When the temperature is too high, it will automatically switch on the fan through these relays. Then the fan will try to regulate the room, or it can be the air conditioner. It's not necessarily the fan. Then we have the 2 channel relays. So we have 4 relays. The 4 relays are for the 3 lights: bedroom light, living room, and kitchen light. Then 1 is for fan. Then we have, at this point, we have IR, infrared sensor, and its remote. We have a remote. This helps a person who is near the gadget to wirelessly turn on the lights from the seat or from some distance from the gadget. So you can use this to either turn the lights on, the fan, only the light and the fan. So it's either use the button, the lights, or the remote. Then we have this at the end. It's an MQ137. It's mostly for air quality. It measures a variety of elements in the air, and it's used mostly for air quality purposes. So combination of this combination of MQ135 and MQ7 will properly measure the parameters in the house for air quality in the house. So then we have Arduino Nano. This also to control some other gadgets, some other modules like the SIM 800L for messages and call. Then on the sides we have the GPS tracker or GPS for location. Then we have the LDR for light sensitivity. So if the light is good in the room, it will give a suggestion, or when it's dark, it can either switch on. Mostly if we add another function like security light, it can turn on the security lights automatically. Yes, so you can connect this. We have the channel. The 3 channels are for light, and I want to demonstrate with one light. If I switch it from this side, you can see that's a button for another room. That one is for the main room. I can switch it off again. It's connected to this, so you can see on, off, on, off. Then we have these other 3. One is for fan and one is for light. So this you can connect a maximum of 3 lights. Remember, this device is AI capable. I've connected it with Google Assistant, and you can control it using the voice commands, like turn on the lights, turn off the light, and it's connected to your Gmail account. So it's, in terms of safety, it's very safe. So long as nobody has your Gmail account password, you are safe. So as you can see, we have the tabs in Google Home. If you open the Google Home, you see we have the tabs for the favorite. Under favorite, you can get the device itself. You can control everything. Either switch all at once if you don't want to go to a lot of processes, or go to this point, drop it down. Then from the drop down, we have each light on its own tab. Let's say for the kitchen, you can turn kitchen off. You see I connected the bulb to the kitchen light, the bedroom light, check on the relay, and then the living. Then I can turn them all on, then I can turn them all off. So in terms of what you can do, there are few things you can see from the tabs. We have the 4 lights and one option to turn them all on and all off. Then we have the weather forecasting tab. You will see your location plus the weather forecast. For now, it's showing 23 degrees, light rain is expected. So within this tab, you are able to control the switches at home and see the weather forecast. So this is achievable when you are connected to the internet. That is, when you are on the internet and the device is also connected successfully to the internet. So so the device is supposed to be connected throughout to the network to relay the information to the online, to the Google Home, and also for more information to what we call Blink console. This now is if you want to check a lot of the whatever is going on in the home in details. That is, you will check out the temperatures, the humidity, which lights are on, which lights are on. You can switch them off or on from the other from the console itself. So let me show you the console, and from there we will be able to see how it's relaying those informations in real time. So from the Blink console, which is also created using your email, we have different parameters. We check the temperature, we check the humidity, smoke, then the distance of motion from your door. If somebody is approaching your door, you'll get a notification, and how far the person is from the door. So then we have the switches for the living room, bedroom, the fan, the kitchen. So for example, we connected the bulb to the kitchen. I can toggle it on. You can see the light is on. I can toggle it off, it will be off. So then we have the motion alert, the green one. When it's green, it shows there's movement or there's a person near the gadget or out from the door. That is when it is installed. Then we have SMS for the GSM. If there is a message sent to your phone, there will be a notification from this status bar. Then we have buzz alerts. Then we have smoke alert. If there is smoke, it will be on that way. For now, there is nothing. There is no smoke sensed. Now it will not. Even if you force it to turn on, it will remain off. Then we have temperature alerts. As you can see, the temperature, it's reading 30. That's because the sensor is near the ESP that heats up while working, so the reading is not accurate. For that matter, I have increased the threshold for the temperature, so whenever the threshold is reached, it will give an alert. Now we have the humidity. Then whenever there is smoke, it will show the level, and also humidity alert. So for example, if I blow through the gadget, the temperature will rise, or the humidity. The humidity has rocketed to 60, which it depends with how much the hair I've blown has a lot of moisture, so the moisture is sensed. Then if it's too much, it will give an alert if the threshold is reached, that is. So this is it. From the console, you can unlock several features. For automation features, there is automation features you can turn on from this side. Then there are a lot of features you can turn on from this, and then you can rebuild this to your liking. That is, it's you who build it, so depending on how you want it to look, you can rearrange these widgets to be the way you want them to be. So that is it. If you are interested in this and seeing how it works, check my next video for more testing. I'll test each and every component to show you how it reacts with a certain environmental changes.